what is going on with the market, with all the economic uncertainty in Loudoun County, Northern Virginia. I want to share with you boots on the ground, what's happening, and year over year, like what's going on. I'm Kim Barber with Kim Barber Group and eXp Realty, and I've helped thousands of owners and agents with real estate since 2004. So in fact, in Q1 of this year compared to Q1 of last year, our market here in Northern Virginia is still up like 11%. So that's really good. Now we had increases of like 20% in months in the past. So is that an indicator of things like slowing down or leveling? I don't really think so. And what we're seeing with boots on the ground is that there are a little bit less showings, but the people that are out there are actually serious. So what does this mean for you as a seller? When I say, I don't really think so, it really means that we're coming off of the Q1, which is the winter, right? So is that an indicator of the market like going down? Not really, because that's still 11% in one of the traditional like slower times of the year. And then also, 11% historically is still 7% higher than it was before like the mad rush of the last 5 years. So not really, because it's still a very strong seller's market. And we have what they call a 0.4 months supply of market. So if you are a seller, this is still good in your favor because it means you have 2 buyers for every 1 house. If you're a buyer, actually this is good because our inventory is actually up 70 homes, about 200% compared to last year. And so this means actually perhaps you're going to have 2 buyers for 1 home, not 8 buyers for 1 home. And so last weekend, being a boots on the ground perspective, we had a few offers and less a little bit than we expected on our properties. But out of, for example, 8 showings, we had 5 offers. So that has to do, of course, with lots of things like marketing and preparation and pricing and all of that. But, sometimes the sellers are expecting like a lot more showings. And a month ago, and 2 of our listings combined, we had 87 showings. But across the board, even with my real estate partners, I am seeing a little bit of a slowdown on the showings. And, there's a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of uncertainty, and there is an increase in inventory. So I kind of expected it, right? When people want to just kind of see what's leveling out. And yet my sellers are saying, you know what, like I wanted to sell, I'm going to go ahead and jump and get this house on the market. So if you took anything away from that, which I hope you did, it means that it's still a seller's market. Inventory is still moving in Northern Virginia. It's becoming a little bit more fair. And I think, as I always indicated, I think that there's going to be a leveling off, and I am seeing that. So it is consistent with the market reports that I gave in the past. We're seeing those predictions come into fruition. What's going to happen in the future? Quite honestly, I think, let's be real. We have to get control of some of the energy costs. We have to get control of inflation. And at some level, I think we need to get control of the rising house prices because people only have so much money in their budget. So that's what's going on in the market right now. I will continue to keep my Northern Virginia homeowners and buyers updated on the market. If you found this information helpful and you're watching it via YouTube, do me a favor and give me the thumbs up. Comment below if you have a question. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. I'll be giving you great content and helping you with home ownership around the country as well as here in Northern Virginia.